Alright, Ash is sleeping. Bobby Hill has a problem. Oh my god. You guys haven't heard Bobby Hill's song. We're gonna look into him. Oh, butt bank!
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Yo, guess what? Steak in your face. Enjoy that steak in your belly. Yeah. Ah. Oh. Alright, Bobby. What's going on, Bobby?
Are you hungry? I bet you're hungry. Maybe go make us a semi?
Another one? Are you serious? Get out of here. Let's listen to your song, though. Alright, guys. Bobby Hill has a ballad for you guys. And the name of the ballad is Eat a Baby. Enjoy.
Eat the baby, they are to go on. Sweet sour sauce on that gravy. Oh my fucking god, and this tiny bud. Maybe baby could be yours. Baby, maybe please be kind. And rewind all those bitches Pocahontas. Maybe we are destiny.
Get him, Bobby! Woo! Kill him! Kill him! Oh! Oh!
Did I leave the TV on?
I don't know.
We'll never know unless we take a share.
You ladies and gentlemen, Ash Ketchum, Dora the Explorer, and Bobby Hill! Oh, that was a beautiful song. That was beautiful. Bobby Hill, you are the grand star. You are the best singer in the world. You're the prettiest girl in the world, too. So the song goes like this. Eat the baby. Eat the baby. There are two. Let me see. I think I can see the whole thing better like this if I edit it. All right, here you go. Eat the baby. There are 2 for 1. Sweet sour sauce on that baby. Oh my fucking god. And this tiny butt, maybe baby could be yours. Baby, maybe please be kind and rewind all those VHS of Pocahontas. Maybe we are destiny. Did I leave the TV on? We'll never know unless we take a shit. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Bobby Hill's Eat a Baby. That was beautiful, Bobby. Yeah, keep the changes. That was a tearjerker. That was a tearjerker, Bobby. Bobby, I got an outfit for you that I want you to try. A lot of people wanted me to do this, and I was like, oh, this is fucked up. But I just gotta do it. Oh, he didn't know that's like that. He makes a man speak Spanish. Como se baña? Lolita. Oh, mi casa. Bobby the hit. Oh, here you go. He likes that. Oh my god, Bobby. Oh my god. Here you go, Bobby. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. I love you so much, Bobby. Keep being you. You're the prettiest girl in the world. The prettiest. What are you doing? Oh, you're doing your funny faces too?
I'm working on my funny faces.
Ah, nice. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you go, Bobby, alright? That was all worth it. Right there. Everything was. Wait, what is Bobby doing? Oh, he's painting his nails. Ah, and they're sparkling. Bobby, are you gonna do the same thing that Michael does? Are you gonna break out the perfume next? Oh, you really are going ham on your nails. Look at that. Oh, there you go, the perfume. Yep, there goes Bobby. He's getting ready for a hot date. Probably Dora, right? No? Yo, Bobby, that's enough. And, yep, there he is. Oh, no, Bobby. It's not that there's a problem for you to do that. It's just it's a little bit too early in your stages of life. But, okay, I'm gonna let you do your own thing, Bobby, alright? Just, Dora's sleeping. Princess Bubblegum seems a little bit concerned. What's wrong with you, Princess? Oh, you're okay. You're smiling. Or maybe that's how your face is forever. I don't know.
Hey,
Hey, what's up, Princess Bubblegum?
I got a strange letter. Someone wants to meet me up on the roof.
What?
I don't know who wrote it. Should I go?
Yeah, go. Definitely.
It's so mysterious, isn't it? I'm gonna go see what this is all about.
I love these. I love these. Where is it? It's Charlie.
Here's a photo of my grandmother.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait, this is different. What the fuck? What? A picture of what?
Who on earth was that? And what am I supposed to do with this thing?
Give me it.
Oh well, it's a memory at least.
What the fuck? Give me the picture. I want to see it.
I don't mean to, but I seem to always get hung up on the little things.
You know what? A lot of people do that, and it's like the trick to life, I guess, is just to really like think about it like this. What can I do about this? If there's nothing to do, like if you have no ability to do anything about it, you can't fix it at the moment or anything. Reality is, don't sweat it. There's nothing that you can't do, Princess Bubblegum. So, whenever you can't do anything, don't sweat it. That's the trick. Only care about the things that you can't do right now. Alright? You cute little butt. You popular little fuck. You know you were the most popular? Everybody likes you. Yay! Let me see if I can give you an outfit. Do I have anything for you? Da 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 da. Okay. Let me give you the yellow one. Let's see how this works. All the girls are wearing the same shit. That actually looks really nice on her. Yay! You actually look really nice. Alright, let's do a gift. We're gonna do... Ooh, a laptop. Here you go. Because why go outside when you can just browse through Tumblr and watch videos on YouTube, you know? Whatever. Oh, you're hungry. Let me give you... Oh, I bought you your favorite thingy. I think this is... Did you like this? I don't know. It would make sense that you would like it. She likes it. She liked it. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Let me give you another one. Or actually, let me give you some... Wait, a dessert. A banana split. Here you go. Do you like banana split? She likes it. Oh, she really liked it. Wow. Damn.
Here, I want you to have this.
What? Oh, look. She gave me a homie. She gave me a fan. You're so cute. Thank you. Yay. All right. So let's... Oh, she's sleepy already. What are you looking for? What is that? That looks like... Wait, that looks like... What is that? That 4chan? What is that? What are you watching? I think that's Reddit. I don't know what that is. What website is that? It has food though. Could be just a menu. Maybe she's getting like some delivery. Alright. What's going on? Hey, Moquito! Hi! You look so cute!
Won't you please play with me?
Ah, yes! Let's play. What do you want to play? Football! Oh. Alright, everybody, in the comment section, every time we play football, just put taka. Just put it in the comment section, because that's what we do in football now. You ready? 3, 2, 1. You see Moquito's face, he was like, holy shit, no! Oh, we won with the
You did it. Congratulations.
Thank you! Ooh.
Time for your prize. Go ahead.
The little one. Ah! Oh, I wanted that. Damn it, I wanted the big one. Fuck. What's going on?
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? Holy shit, you are. I got you. How about some bread? Don't you like bread? Here you go. You love bread, don't you? Oh, we're doing it again!
Oh yeah. I love one. To be a bear. To eat some bread, motherfucker.
His all-time favorite. Oh, that makes me happy. That makes me happy. That happens all the time. Let's give him a song. Oh wait, no. Moquito never gets anything other than pocket money. Let's give him 164 with 61 cents. Ah, fuck. Whatever. Here you go. You gave Moquito some pocket money. We really need to
Cool,
get.
thanks. Now I just need $9,405.39 more to take a trip to outer space.
Yep. That's all we need. Fuck. Damn it.
I thought of a really funny joke to tell you, but I can't remember how it goes.
That's kind of what happened with Michael Jackson too. What's going on over here? Oh God, you got something in your face.
You've got some crumbs around your mouth. Could you please take care of that for me?
Yes, come over here.
There you go.
There you go.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Alright. So, I think it's time. Let me see real quick. Yep. What is Moquito doing? Oh, he's just sitting about. Alright. So, I think it's time to add that new member. I'm wondering if this is gonna work. So, I'm gonna give it a go anyways. Enter. And it's a QR code.